Hello, dear students. Now we are going to note down in this part 5 the rules of direct and indirect. Some specific rules for changing assertive sentences from direct to indirect narration. The rules we are going to discuss here. For changing assertive sentences into indirect sentences, all the general rules are followed. But there are some rules, dear students, which are followed only for changing assertive sentences into indirect sentences, which are as following. For this, we have to follow some rules, dear students. And the rule 1 is in this series is the reporting verb said, says, will say is changed into told. Accordingly, tells, says will change into tells, and will say will change into will tell respectively. If this is followed by an object, for example is also here, you can see properly, and please do this work in your fair notebook. Okay, students? Said to him changes into told him. Okay? Will say to her changes into will tell her. Okay? Says to them changes into tells them. Clear? Now some other rules are also there. Please note down also that the preposition to is removed here. Okay? The reporting verb remains, rule 2 is there. The reporting verb remains the same if it is not followed by an object. Okay? Rule 2 is there. The reporting verb may also be changed into replied, informed, remarked, or answered as persons. As persons, we can use some other word for it for this. Okay? For example, inquired, hanged. Okay, just like that. There is no limit of such type of the words to use. Next, rule 4 is inverted commas are removed and the conjunction that is used to connect the reported speech with the main clause. Okay. Rule 5, if there is a noun used as an addressee, it is converted into the object of the reporting verb. Okay, students? And rest the rules will remain as same. Okay. Now we are moving forward. So please do this work. I am telling you again, do this work in your fair notebook. Okay. So now there are some illustrative examples in present tense. Present indefinite or will change into past indefinite, and present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect continuous. Next, past perfect tense, and the next is present perfect continuous. It will change into past perfect continuous. So please, students, pay attention. What does it mean, dear students? That all the presents will change into its past. Okay. So for your learning, I am telling you. Okay. Pay attention. Now here is some examples regarding present indefinite tense. For example, Seema said, comma, inverted comma, I pray to God daily. You can note here some examples. Seema said that she prayed God daily. Next example is Vinay said to him, comma, inverted comma, those boys do not sleep in the day. Now the answer is here. Vinay told him that those boys, because those will not change into anything. Okay. Those boys did not sleep in the day. Clear? Next is from present tense. He says to me, comma, inverted comma, the sun rises in the east. This is the universal truth. So there will be no change. And because this is also in present tense, he tells me that the sun rises in the east. Okay. Next, Hari said to Vishal, comma, inverted comma, he does not obey his parents. Hari told Vishal that he did not obey his parents. This does not will change into its past. What is that? Did not. Okay, please pay attention. Next is that present continuous tense. This will change into past continuous tense. Okay, students. Now, example for it is Komal said to Meenakshi, Vimal is not eating food. Okay. Komal told Meenakshi that Vimal was not eating food. Okay, dear students, now next for it. Rita said to Geeta, comma, inverted comma, I am doing my work. Okay, Rita told Geeta that she was doing her work. Okay, clear? Next is A said to B, comma, inverted comma, she is not studying. Now for this answer is indirect is A told B that she was not studying. Clear? Next is he said to his father, comma, inverted comma, he is not going to Delhi. Next is he told his father that he was not going to Delhi. Clear? Now moving forward, present perfect tense. It will change into past perfect tense as I have earlier told you. Okay, you will note down this very clearly and you will also learn it properly. Clear, dear students? Vimal said, comma, inverted comma, Seema has done her work. Clear? Now, indirect for this is, Vimal said that Seema had done her work. Clear? This has will change into had. And this is the past of present perfect. What is that? Change into past perfect. Now, next is, she said to her mother, comma, inverted comma, the teachers have finished the course. Close inverted comma. Now she told her mother that the teachers had finished the course. Next to it is, I said to him, comma, inverted comma, I have not read that book. For this, the indirect is, I told him that I had not read that book. Clear? Next example is, dear students, Shashi had to said to Krishna, comma, inverted comma, she has not borrowed the bicycle. For this indirect is, Shashi told Krishna that she had not borrowed the bicycle. Next for it is present perfect continuous. This will change into past perfect continuous. I just have told you earlier and you will have to learn this properly. Okay, dear students? So now pay attention for the next. Rita said to Mitali, comma, inverted comma, she has been studying for 2 hours. For that, Rita told Mitali that she had been studying for 2 hours. Clear? Next is Meenakshi said to them, comma, inverted comma, we have not been playing since morning. Now, Meenakshi told them that they had not been playing since morning. Okay, dear students, so do this work in your fair notebook. Okay, now we are moving forward. Now, dear students, you are going to note down some illustrative examples in the past. Past indefinite tense changes into past perfect tense. Clear? For example, Mohan said, comma, inverted comma, he did not sleep well yesterday. Mohan said that he had not slept well the previous day. Yesterday will change into the previous day. Sita said, comma, inverted comma, Satish ran very fast today. Sita said that Satish had run very fast that day. Clear? Next example is, Raja said to her, comma, inverted comma, Sohan slept in the room. Raja told her that Sohan had slept in the room. Next example is, Kailash said to Vimla, comma, inverted comma, she did not read the book. The indirect of this is, Kailash told Vimla that she had not read the book. Clear? So do this work in your fair notebook. Thank you, dear students. Thank you very much. And please like and subscribe the video also. Thank you.